Meanwhile, with total coronavirus cases in India topping 8 lakh mark, several states have relocked to contain the COVID-19 spread. The Yogi Adityanath government has imposed a complete lockdown in Uttar Pradesh over the weekend. Meanwhile, a 7-day lockdown has also been imposed in Patna. Take a look at this report.
Uttar Pradesh, which had been praised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for successfully controlling the spread of coronavirus, is currently under a 55-hour long lockdown. The lockdown kicked off from 10 p.m. on Friday and will remain in place till 5 a.m. on Monday. Only essential services will be allowed. Government and private offices, shops for non-essential items, malls and restaurants will remain shut. Buses and other public transport will be off the roads. The UP government, however, will allow incoming trains and the passengers will be able to use special buses to get home.
Lockdown from Friday 10 p.m. till 5 a.m. on Monday. I'm right now in Hazratganj area of Lucknow, and you can see that this area is giving a completely deserted look. All the shops are closed and people who are coming out of the road on the street are being checked by the police. There is heavy security deployment and the police is only allowing people engaged in essential services.
Tight security arrangements have been put in place at the Delhi-Noida border to ensure strict implementation of the lockdown.
Monday 5 a.m. and we're at the Noida border right now, where you can see barricading has been set up and passes are being checked for everyone. If you do not have a valid entry pass or you're not a member of the essential services, then you will simply be asked to turn back and go back inside Delhi. However, what is not being done properly is the thermal scanning. As you can see in our visuals, one person of the UP police is standing here with a thermal scanner in hand, but not everybody is being checked.
सर किस तरीके से गाड़ी को जाने दिया जा रहा है यहाँ?
सर जिसके पास है वही जाएंगे, बाकी कोई नहीं जाएगा।
अच्छा, लोग
जैसे इमरजेंसी सर्विस है, एसेंशियल सर्विस है, वही जा पाएंगे। हाँ जी, रुकिए सर।
This relock has left many UP residents in lurch.
मेरे पास अभी कोई डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है तो मैं कैसे प्रूव करूं कि मेरे को हॉस्पिटल जाना है। अब ये लोग मेरे को अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं जाने के लिए। लॉकडाउन हमारे को पता था, मैंने ई पास के लिए भी ट्राई किया है, लेकिन वेबसाइट पे 30 जून के बाद ई पास ही नहीं अप्लाई हो पा रहा है, उसमें 30 जून दिखा रहा है।
And not just Uttar Pradesh, due to sudden surge in COVID-19 cases in Bihar, a 7-day lockdown has also been imposed in Patna.
Lockdown has once again been imposed in Patna as well as dozen more districts for about a week, and the intention here, the aim here basically is to break the chain of this deadly virus, to contain the situation and spread of this infection in the state.
As states grapple with rising cases and India crosses the 8 lakh mark, is relock the solution to contain COVID spread? With Nilanshu Shukla, Anisha Mathur and Rohit Kumar Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.